Welcome to Living Cluster, a smart, simple, and secure way to manage everything in your apartment community. Maintenance collection issues, visitor logging security challenges, facility booking problems, complaint service request, communication and polling. Documents related to community can be maintained with access management. Supports web, mobile, and has regular updates. Let's take a closer look at Living Cluster and explore the tools that simplify life in your community. Log in using https://livingcluster.in/. You can search your community name. If available, you can join. Provide necessary details shown in the screen and click on the Join button to join the community. You will receive a OTP for authentication. Request is submitted and association will approve it. Request is submitted and association will approve it. Resident and association are two types of login. You can add new community by filling above details. This is the dashboard. Left hand side, all features are listed. You can review the payments and track. You can log a complaint and track the status. You have full control on visitor request and also can view the history of visitors, delivery person visited. You add the visitor and select purpose of visit. All these options can be customizable according to your requirement. Book clubhouse, gym, or party halls from your phone or laptop. Avoid double bookings or manual approvals. You can check the upcoming bookings and can also schedule time so others can join the slot. Living Cluster provides you option to create meeting request alerts and community messages instantly. Need a resident vote for something? Run a poll and get clear results quickly. You can schedule online meeting, provide the agenda of the meeting. We can track attendance and monthly meetings frequency. Upload and share society documents, meeting minutes, and agreements with residents. Know when your staff, housekeeping, or delivery person enters and exits. Complete transparency for everyone. You can view residents' details, service providers and association members, and add, update and delete. Society common bills like electricity, water meters, maintenance works expenses can view and export in Excel. You can also create invoices and payment receipts from the application. You can download, export and print the receipts for audit. Let's take a quick look at this comparison. When you compare Living Cluster with other community management apps, the difference is clear. Living Cluster stands out as a true all-in-one platform, offering every feature community needs, while the others fall short. Zero setup cost. With Living Cluster, you don't have to worry about any upfront costs. Most other apps require paid onboarding or installation support. Customizable for associations, Living Cluster is built with flexibility in mind. Associations can configure the platform to fit their unique needs, unlike others that offer a one-size-fits-all solution. Affordable pricing. Our pricing is designed to be pocket-friendly for all communities, with no hidden charges. Personal support team. We provide direct, human support, no chatbots, no endless wait times. Simple UI for elders. The interface is so easy to use that even elderly residents can navigate it without help. In short, Living Cluster is not just another apartment management app. It's a smarter, simpler, and more community-friendly solution. Interested now? Book your free visit today and get free onboarding with 1 month free service, and visit our website for more details. See you at your apartment.